Hey guys, it's Tarek with Cyclone 3D, and I am finally going to present to you the newest racing quad. This is a very special edition. I custom designed this one, this is the new U250R1. The U stands for Unibody. This is a unibody construction. Everything is built as one solid piece, except for the side brackets here made out of carbon fiber. 250, it's actually a 245 from point to point here, but I'm going to call it a 250 for just to make it easy. We're running Freibot 2450 kV motors. We're running racecraft props. We've got a F4 board with 30 amp ESCs, and we've got our standard camera system. Here's the thing about this one. The trick was to see if we could make this as light as possible, handle a 4S battery, and put out some top speed. Now, I have not been able to do a radar test on this yet, but I did take it. I had my son with me, and we decided, I asked him if he'd video just some, practice ascending moves, and it's the fastest quad I've made so far to date. I cannot tell you how fast it goes. I can just tell you that it's incredibly fast. I'll radar it later. We've got a little fog this morning, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to radar it yet, but I can tell you, let me give you an example. This quad is running roughly 10-to-1 thrust to weight ratio. Now, this quad with a 4S 1800 battery, which mounts on top here in this gap, I guess you could say, weighs 1.03 pounds, and I believe that comes out to like 470 grams. That's fully loaded. That's with everything on it, 4S battery. The motors are putting out about 1,100 grams of thrust, which is almost 2.5 pounds. I mean, you have to be a little lenient on there. Is 450 some odd grams per pound, but I round a little bit here. So with a little bit of tweaking, you can get about 10 pounds of thrust on the quad, and you have about a 1 pound quad. It comes out, like I said, 1.03 pounds, and I can shed 0.03 by taking something simple off. So for argument's excuse me, for argument's sake, we're going to say between I don't know, 9-to-1 to 10-to-1 ratio. It's sick fast, and I think that with this design, this could definitely be a potential frame design for a record breaker, which is what we're going for next, using 6S technology. So anyways, what I'll show you real quickly is, and then there'll be some videos here. The frame is designed, like I said, it's a unibody frame, and it's made extremely light. And then I have tried to eliminate as much aluminum as possible and use only carbon fiber. So the only aluminum, I guess, or the only things you're going to see here are going to be these 4 spacers. And that is about as much as I had to use on this and still keep a solid frame. Those 4 spacers keep my carbon fiber in the center here. What I do, and what I feel is unique to my design, is I use slotted design technology. So basically I come in and I figure out how I want my carbon fiber to sit, and then I start cutting slots in it, and then I slide pieces inside another piece, and then I will fasten it. So like here you can see that there is a screw on this side and the nut on this side. There was a spacer here at one point, but I wanted to eliminate some weight, so I took that out. So this quad right here, I'm going to put some real quick videos. I'm getting ready to go fly it actually in the field right now, but all I have is what my son was videotaping. It's extremely fast, and I think that this is going to be, in the 4S department, this should probably be the fastest quad I can make. I could maybe get a different prop, but there's absolutely no way I could make a lighter quad, faster quad, and as stable as this is. This is, I'm just really proud of it. It's probably the best one I've ever made. And it's extremely solid. So hopefully you'll see some of the videos here, and then I'm going to go shoot some in the field, and I'll be back and show you what those are like. Thanks, guys. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you soon.